Hello, and welcome to our video on how to spot and avoid credit card scams. In today's world, where technology has made it easy to do financial transactions online, credit card scams have become more and more common. These scams can cause significant financial and emotional harm, and can even lead to identity theft. In this video, we'll go over what credit card scams are, how they work, and, most importantly, how to avoid becoming a victim of one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial advice. So, without further ado, let's get started. How credit card scams work. Scammers use various tactics to steal your credit card information. For instance, they may send you an email or text message posing as a legitimate financial institution, asking you to update your personal information. If you click on the link provided in the message, it will take you to a fake website that looks like the actual financial institution's website. Once you enter your credit card information on this fake website, scammers can use it to make unauthorized purchases. Another way that credit card scams work is through skimming devices. These are small devices that criminals install on ATM machines or gas pumps to capture your credit card information when you swipe your card. They can then use this information to make fraudulent transactions. How to spot credit card scams. Having understood how credit card scams work, let's look at how you can spot them. One way to identify credit card scams is to check the source of the message or call. If it's an unknown or suspicious source, it's best to ignore it. Additionally, be cautious of messages that demand urgent action or request personal information, especially if it's financial information. Another way to spot credit card scams is to carefully examine the website or email. Look for spelling or grammar mistakes, suspicious links, or any information that seems out of place. You can also check the website's security certificate to make sure it's a legitimate website. Common types of credit card scams. Credit card scammers use various methods to steal your information and money. In this section, we'll cover some of the most common types of credit card scams to watch out for. One of the most common types of credit card scams is the card not present scam. This is when scammers use stolen credit card information to make purchases online, over the phone, or by mail. Another type of credit card scam is the fake refund scam, in which scammers pose as representatives of a retailer or online marketplace and offer victims fake refunds. Phishing scams are another common type of credit card scam in which scammers trick victims into disclosing sensitive information via fake emails or websites. How to protect yourself from credit card scams. Let us now discuss how you can protect yourself from credit card scams. To begin with, never give out your credit card information to anyone, especially if they ask for it via email, text message, or phone. Instead, contact your financial institution directly to confirm the authenticity of the request. Secondly, regularly check your credit card statements to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activities, contact your financial institution immediately to report it and cancel your card. Thirdly, always keep your card in a safe place and be cautious when using it in public places, especially when entering your PIN. Always cover the keypad when entering your PIN, and look out for any suspicious devices that might be installed on the ATM or gas pump. What to do if you fall victim to credit card scams. If you believe that you have fallen victim to a credit card scam, it's important to act quickly. Firstly, contact your financial institution immediately to report the fraud and cancel your card. It's also important to file a police report and report the fraud to the Federal Trade Commission or FTC. The FTC provides resources to help victims of identity theft and credit card fraud. It's also important to monitor your credit report and statements regularly to ensure that there are no new fraudulent activities. Additionally, you can consider signing up for identity theft protection services. These services can monitor your credit reports, alert you of any suspicious activities, and provide support in case of identity theft. Some credit card companies also offer fraud protection services that can help you to recover your lost funds in case of fraud. Additional protection against credit card scams. In addition to the tips we've already discussed, there are a few more steps you can take to protect yourself from credit card scams. Enabling two-factor authentication on your credit card accounts, which adds an extra layer of security, is an important step. You can also configure alerts for your credit card accounts to notify you whenever a transaction occurs. This allows you to quickly detect any unauthorized transactions. Finally, keep your antivirus and anti-malware software up to date because this can aid in the detection and prevention of malicious software used by scammers to steal your information. In conclusion, credit card scams are a serious threat that can cause significant financial and emotional harm. However, you can protect yourself from falling victim to these scams by learning how to spot and avoid them. Always take precautions and vigilance when handling your credit card information, and never share it with anyone unless you are certain it is coming from a legitimate source. Monitor your credit card statements and credit reports on a regular basis to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions or accounts. In addition, if you become a victim of a credit card scam, act quickly to report the fraud and minimize your losses. We hope you found this video informative, and please share it with your family and friends to raise awareness about credit card scams. Remember to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.